Once I was the king of Spain.
He was once the king of Spain.
Live in Buffalo. Oh, my unspeakable wife, Queen Lisa.
Don't mention Lisa.
I'm telling you, I was the king of Spain.
The king, a former conehead.
And now I work at the Pizza. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Ba-dum, ba-ba-dum. Ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da. Ba-da-ba-ba-dum.
Royalty, Lord, it looked good on me. Buried in stealth in the royal boudoir. Or going nuclear free or playing crokinole with the Princess of Monaco. Telling my jokes to the OPEC leaders, getting it all on video. Once I was the king of Spain.
Now I eat humble pie.
Palatial Palace, that was my home.
Now I eat humble pie.
I'm telling you, I was the king of Spain.
Now I eat humble pie.
And now I vacuum the turf at Skydome.
Once he was the king of Spain.
I can't wait, I'm lowering interest rates. My people say,
Are you such a genius?
There's a cone on your head.
it's laissez-faire, I don't even give a care. Let's make Friday part of the weekend and give all of these people chocolate eclair. Once I was the king of Spain.
Now I eat humble pie.
Hey Clinton and Yeltsin got problems, you phone me.
Now I eat humble pie.
I'm telling you, I was the king of Spain.
Now I eat humble pie.
Now the Leafs call me up to drive the Zamboni.
Once he was the king of Spain.
Ladies and gentlemen, I introduce to you Stan Mikita and the Players. Now some of you are probably very curious how the King of Spain came to be living in North America working at these minimum wage type jobs. How did it happen, King? Yes, everybody wants to know, don't they?
Most people.
And as literary convention would have it, this song has an epilogue. Are you curious about the epilogue? Do you want to know? Do you want to know? Do you want to know? Shall I tell them then, guys?
Tell us, King.
Guilty late. One night, when the palace was asleep, out of my royal chambers and into the garden I creep. And I wait till the appointed time when the moon is lighting the pitch, at which point my peasant friend who looks just like me arrives, so we make a switch. Prince and Pauper, Junior and Warper, a world made up of silver and copper. Under my own volition, I took a change of position. So next time you drool in the pizza line, remember slower pizza's more luscious. The King of Spain never rushes. Once I was the King of Spain.
Now I eat humble pie.
I was looking for finding ways to improve us.
Now I eat humble pie.
I'm telling you, I was the King of Spain.
Now I eat humble pie.
And now I'm jamming with Moxie Fruvus.
Once he was the king of Spain.
Give it up for the King of Spain!